Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to make bean soup with bean flour. First, let's get organized. You'll need about 1 cup of bean flour, 4 cups of vegetable broth, and your favorite vegetables. Start by finely chopping 1 medium onion, 2 cloves of garlic, and 1 bell pepper. Then, heat 2 tablespoons of olive oil in a large pot over medium heat, preparing for the next step. Now that your pot is hot, add the chopped onion, garlic, and bell pepper. Sauté these aromatic vegetables for about 5 to 7 minutes, stirring occasionally until they become wonderfully soft and fragrant. Once they are tender, carefully pour in 4 cups of vegetable broth. Bring this flavorful mixture to a gentle simmer, allowing all the ingredients to meld together beautifully. While your soup base is simmering, it's time to prepare the bean flour. In a separate bowl, whisk together 1 cup of bean flour with 1 cup of cold water. Make sure to stir thoroughly until the mixture is completely smooth, with no lumps remaining. Then, slowly pour this bean flour slurry into your simmering soup, stirring continuously to ensure even thickening and prevent clumping. Keep the soup simmering for another 10 to 15 minutes, stirring occasionally until it reaches your desired thickness. The bean flour will continue to work its magic, creating a rich and creamy texture. Finally, season your soup with about 1 teaspoon of salt, 1/2 teaspoon of black pepper, and any other herbs you love. Serve your delicious, hearty bean soup warm and savor every spoonful.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.